What is up, everybody? Zach from Roto Chronicles. Got another patch of the TPE protectors coming to you from EVBase. Just again, to add protection, because the Tesla is in no way set up for the rainy weather or anything we deal with. And we're getting into steelhead season, so going to be putting a lot of wet stuff in the car. So this will provide us a good bit of protection. We got a couple pieces already installed in the trunk just because they came earlier. But then we also got the B post and the C post protectors. So this will go up by the seat belt here, and then this will go down by the car here. So I do have the other stuff filmed too, so we'll splice those videos in and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so from the previous install, we got this upper trunk piece and then this trunk piece right here. So we'll go ahead and show you how to install those. For this back one, I'm just gonna lift up this rear little thing here, so keep it out of the way. And this is just gonna set on here. We're just gonna get the weather stripping and put this piece right underneath it. The first thing we're gonna do is pop off this weather stripping here because it'll make it easier. So you're just gonna pull right up, just enough. There is some glue in there, so you don't need to get it all the way off. Just kind of get it out of your way because there's tape on the back of here, so we want to kind of set it once. Next thing we're gonna do is pull all this tape off. All right, once we have all that tape off, you can see how this is gonna fit on here. Now, we're gonna line this up at the bottom here. Then once you like it, go ahead and start getting this under the weather stripping. Put that weather stripping back down because this is what's gonna lock that piece in there. And that's that side. So the C-post pillar cover just has Velcro. So it's just gonna go right around the seat belt there. And then you're just gonna line it up. Same with all the previous ones. You'll wanna pull back the weather stripping a little bit to get it wedged in there. So the B-post comes with all the double-sided tape, so we'll go ahead and get all the backing removed off of that. All right, now that we have all that removed, this big bevel is gonna go towards the front of the vehicle here. And what we're gonna wanna do is start on this side so we can get this behind the weather stripping. Okay, and then once you have that under the weather stripping on the back side here, and it's lined up down below, then we're just slowly gonna wrap this around and lock in all that tape. And then once we're to there, we'll go to the front and get the front weather stripping in.